Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and my guest bathroom shower has just gotten a major upgrade with this awesome shower head.
This is a two-in-one shower head that has a rainfall and handheld, and it was so easy to install. I love that they gave you everything that you needed in the package, including the tape, and it's a toolless installation. So my dad and I just took off the old shower head and screwed this one right on, and we were ready to go. I love that it has these three different settings, so you can choose to use the head, the handheld, or use them both at the same time. The handheld also has 10 different settings, and each one is so great. I really appreciate the design of this shower head. I think it works so beautifully, and the rainfall is so great. I really appreciate how well made this shower head is and how easy it was to install and how easy it is to use. I am a huge fan and I could not recommend it more highly.
So if you're wanting a shower head that can do it all, you need to get this one. It is absolutely incredible, and that's my point of view.